Friends, welcome back. So let's work on the HTML for this components now. So first of all, what we'll do is uh, we'll include bootstrap. We'll we'll take the CDN link first. We'll take this link and copy it and add it to our index.html file. We can add it anywhere in the header part. So yeah. So once we've done this, we'll add some header to this application so that it gives a look. Let's go to bootstrap documentation. Components, and go to the we'll grab this header. Whichever header you like, you can pick, but for now we just keep it simple, so I'll just take this. And the app.js, what I'll do is I'll change this to container. This is the outermost div, so I'll add this as container. Now if you go and check this, it has squeezed a bit, so let me just add this div here. Just name it something like user list or whatever you would like to name, you can do that. So I go back, you can see it has added here. Now I'll create a separate div for the user list. So we'll go to the list and we'll pick this list, copy this, and because here we need to have two containers, one is for the listing and one is for the details of the list listing. So I'll just user list container. Okay, now if you go, so one more thing what we need to take care of is React, and React, since this class has special meaning, we need to change this to class name instead of class. So we have to do this everywhere. Let me do this to header as well. Okay, now I'm going to close this because we will not be using that. So yeah, we have added this. Now next, after list group, we will add one more component. We'll add some to display the details. We'll add something there, comments, whatever looks good, comments. Okay, we'll add this. Yeah, we'll add this. So we'll just copy this. We just have to display the details of the user on clicking of the list. So you can add this here. Now if you go here, it will come like above and below, like as you can see here. For the list, let's use something else with hover effect. We'll use this list. This looks cool, better than the previous one. So I'll go back. Yeah. Now what we'll do is we'll put this side by side. So I'll add some CSS. You can write your own if you would like, or you can also I'll make sure that this code is available in the GitHub for you guys to copy it. So this is the user container, and then we have this. So I'll display next. I'll flexbox. Okay, and just this space between spaces and make this 48%. Yeah, now this looks better. So guys, you can add your own CSS, or you can also add what I'm adding here. So it looks better now. So now we'll create the form, this form here. So once again, we have to give class name here. Okay. Yeah. So now an add user will create a form, and we'll pick some form from here. Use this form. You can create any kind of HTML or any forms. This is not, there is no restrictions. Make sure that your input tags have an ending backslash. Input type is text. We don't need a parameters like this. We'll keep the placeholder name. We don't need this for, since we have removed the ID. Okay, so we need to name this and keep it name. So we need two more fields, one is name, one is city. Occupation, then we'll add a button. Okay, so we have to add a submit button here, so let me just add it. Let's give a class name here. Bootstrap has some default class names, you can check in their documentations. Okay, so now the form is ready. Let's just check the browser. Yeah, so new city, you can give some CSS here. There will be no changes. Now to the child, we can give align self start. So now it will be like this. Yeah. So yeah, this is the basic HTML that we'll be working on. Now next we will set up the Redux layout. so that we can pull the set up the REST server, so that we can pull the data and display it here. So that's all for this video.